The following contest is a no-holds-barred match. Making his way to the ring from Punjab, India, weighing in at 347 pounds, the Great Khali.
And guys, this looks to be a match with major implications here in WWE. Could change the entire landscape here.
He's physically and mentally prepared for the task at hand in this big-time match.
And from deep in the jungle, Wolf.
Hey, where's the horse?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, what horse? The high horse this superstar always seems to be on.
Did Jerry Lawler write that line for you?
She knows she deserves to be atop this division, and a win tonight will go a long way towards that.
Buckle in, guys. This no-holds-barred match is now underway.
No rules, no limits. These superstars are ready to throw all caution to the wind. Watching this is going to be like watching a car crash.
Absolutely. It's going to be great. A little insult to your injury.
Uh-oh. Oh, what a counter. Oh, what a wind-up. Oh, flapjack.
Gosh, landing face first.
And he's just having his way in this match.
Things are playing out exactly how he envisioned.
She's forced onto the defensive now. Super slam to the ropes.
Man!
She starts to rise back up, but does she know where she is? This won't win the match, but it's doing a lot of damage in the process.
And the bear hug, trying to escape, trying to find a way out, and mission accomplished.
With the lariat, producing a trampling.
My goodness, is this even legal?
I don't think so. My God, enough!
He fends off the attack.
Is it enough here? Big kick out.
The end was in sight.
Oh, ouch. Back in the ring now. Oh,
Clubbing blow. A little insult to your injury.
Evading offense. Oh, that's unnecessary. Oh, my.
Will it be? And still in this.
There's some shock in the arena after that kick out.
Oh, the thump. He's outside the ring now.
Hope he's got a plan.
He's back into the ring. Setting up for something here.
Wow, the power that takes is insane.
Pull out a big move. Cover.
Oh, he gets the shoulder up before 3.
I don't know how he just kicked out, and I'll tell you what, I don't really think he knows either.
It is unreal that this match is still going on after a maneuver that would end most matches.
Big-time knee, lariat combo.
He's absorbed some damage already. Big back body drop.
What elevation.
She turns it right around with a counter. Clothesline. Gets inside the ring. And no countouts means she has the whole outside to play with.
Got him up.
Crank in the head.
Is that really called for?
He takes control. Put her in position now. Straight up and down the throat. He's going for the pin. This could be it. Into the pay window. She kicks out with force.
She just dug down deep there, but I don't know if she'll be able to do it again.
Outside of the ring now.
What's the plan here? He'll take things into the ring.
Hellacious power slam.
Heads out and he has all the time he wants.
Oh, what a nasty knee lift. Knees across the abdomen.
Got him scouted.
Oh, this is just too far. Get some control in there. Oh, it is aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
Doing whatever it takes.
Punishing their opponent. Blowing blows. Great reversal.
Vicious.
These superstars are showing no concern for their own well-being. All that matters to them right now is doing as much damage to one another as possible.
Uh-oh. Closed fist punch to the jaw. That's one way to break up a move.
Real European uppercut.
This fight has made its way to the entranceway.
Oh, man, so many things can go wrong now. Headbutt! Oh, what impact! Shot after shot, then slamming their face down.
This arena can't contain them, and if history's any indication, nothing good's about to happen up there either. Oh, this is just too far. Get some control in there. Oh, it is aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
It's always disorienting taking those hits above the shoulders.
And the possibility for serious injury just went way up.
These superstars are starting to get very imaginative right now. You have to think someone's looking at that stage and getting some dark thoughts.
This is just an overwhelming amount of offense on him.
Yeah, he's being faced with a lot of adversity right now.
No, don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Oh, my gosh, that's gross.
Facing off at the top of the ramp.
I don't know what's going to happen, but it's going to hurt.
Look at this.
With a DDT. Salvage stomp right to the arm.
And I think we all know nothing good comes of fighting on the stage.
Case in point, nothing good happening right now.
And it's reverse pain for that mistake.
Oh, this is just too far. Get some control in there. Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
No, that's not right. Somebody do something about that.
There are a lot of ways this can go sideways. Everything on that stage looks like it hurts. Oh, not to the belly.
Continues the attack on the core.
It could prove to be an effective strategy.
Made her pay for her mistake.
Flying European uppercut. Backbreaker.
Setting foot in the ring now. This one is headed outside, guys.
Oh my gosh, terminating knee smash.
With the reversal.
She's looking for the win.
Kick out, kick out.
That's really as close as it gets.
Are we about to see it? Gosh, nobody does that better.
Shoulders down. Oh, kicks out, kicks out.
Wait, are we sure that was not a 3 count?
You can't count that high, Saxton, but that was one of the closest near falls you'll ever see.
Is there still enough left to try that maneuver again? Or is her confidence shaken? How much longer can these superstars continue to fend off defeat?
Every obstacle's been met with equal measures of tenacity. There you go, Cole.
Setting up, spear!
That puts him in total control. Shoulders down.
Oh, he kicked out.
His opponent thought he had it in the bag for sure.
This is when you have to switch game plans. You can't let yourself get discouraged.
It must be demoralizing knowing you've unleashed your best shot on your opponent to no avail.
Like a brick wall running into you.
And proving a bit slippery for them there.
She saw it coming. A stalemate of counters. These two battling to a dead heat with these reversals.
Taken down to the canvas. Makes him pay with a counter.
What a headbutt.
And all that attention that was placed on attacking the torso seems to have paid off here.
That systematic breakdown could become the deciding factor. Just ruthless.
Boom!
Measured up nicely.
Fist drop! Ah, look at this, just cranking it out.
Cranking the head. That's just disrespect right there. I kind of like it.
Out of the way in time.
There's some gouging going on.
That's unnecessary.
Bad predicament right here.
Stunning display of power.
Uh-oh. Oh, my God, what a move.
Pick your jaw off the floor.
Beautiful 630 splash.
She's taking things to ringside.
The ladder. Things are about to get very interesting and dangerous.
All right, she's back in, ready to go. Boom! And a big boot.
Oh, that was just malicious.
Just disrespectful.
More attacks to the neck area.
Not a pretty sight to witness.
He wants it one more time.
Trying to end
That could be it.
Oh, she's still alive.
Her perseverance is unreal, preserving her opportunity to keep this match alive.
And you see a perplexed look now for how such impactful offense couldn't gain a pinfall.
These superstars have toiled away endlessly, and this crowd is on their feet in full appreciation.
An incredible sight to see.
Soaring.
Diving shoulder tackle. Oh, and she turns it around. No count out as she takes this fight to the floor. She re-enters the ring now. Oh! Caught in a bad position here.
Planted face first.
Clobbered by the steps.
That'll make you reassess some things. Oh my gosh, what impact!
She's just getting worked over right now.
Yeah, you have to think her confidence is dropping now.
Fighting back with a counter.
That's the trigger for her to battle her way back into this.
And he'll leave the ring for this next stretch. Oh, the thump.
Oh, man, they do not care who or what they destroy.
Yeah, Byron, you are dangerously close to being collateral damage in this one. Butterfly suplex.
Carefully measured knee drop.
And he's keeping the pressure on.
He's hitting on all cylinders right now.
Break someone's back and make them humble. This won't win the match, but it's one way to inflict a great deal of punishment on an opponent.
It's a roundabout strategy, but it might work.
Camel clutch applied. They're not going to last long here.
Wait. The grip is broken.
Throws her back in from ringside. Outside the ring now, he has no need to rush. Gotta find a way to get out of this. Oh, she's just appearing powerless to each attack.
Yeah, a lot of work going into keeping her down now.
Thrown back in under the ropes. Got him set up in the corner of the ring. No telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
She's got a table and no doubt has some dangerous plans in mind for how to use it.
Taking this one back to the ring now. And that was a well-executed attack.
My, oh my, what elevation.
There you go, Cole.
Setting up spear.
Ref, get ready to raise his hand.
Makes a cover.
Incredible to think, after everything we've witnessed, we are still at a stalemate.
What's the tally on how many times we thought this match was coming to an end? I can't count anymore. And more attacks up there could leave him stunned.
Each blow affecting his equilibrium.
She'll take things into the ring.
Kendo stick wrapped around the head. Oh, forget about pandering to the WWE Universe. That should keep her head in the game.
Smart strategy, attack the knee. Oh, just mocking his opponent with that kendo stick now. Oh, every successive move is putting their opponent in a dicey situation.
And now she's looking to go top rope.
From the top.
Splash! Looking for the victory! There's two! That's it. The blood and sweat put into this match, well worth it. Street fights seem to bring out the best in these superstars, but nobody expected this match to be that good. I'm speechless.
Here is your winner, Wolf.
And with the results of this battle plain to see on their face, at least they can say they won the match.
In the heat of the match, your adrenaline's surging. Only after the win is when you